Hello, people. So there is the show called Haunted Latin America. And honestly, the entire show is in Spanish, so you need to watch the subtitles to understand what is happening. But it is a very, it's all about these entity possessions and basically ghost stories, that people are recounting. So people, for me, I find Netflix fascinating that it's got a such a wide range of shows, like, and from across the planet, right? And Netflix on the phone, it is just a 200 rupee per month subscription. So earlier it used to be 500 bucks, but for 200 it is complete paisa vasool. So really, people, this is Ayush, and he's helping me with getting dressed and ready, and it's a Sunday and I need to rush. But really, people, so do try and watch this. It's called Haunted Latin America, and you can find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.